before we actually implement local storage in our app, I want to do something else because I want to make sure we have a chance to do this before we run out of time. So everybody do this with me. We're going to actually make our project hosted on the web so we can get to it, so we can browse to it. And wouldn't you know it, GitHub actually has something built in for this. They have a service called GitHub Pages. You can read all about it at pages.github.com. Websites for you and your projects. Hosted directly from your GitHub repository. Seems nice and easy. We've been naming our file index.html. One nice thing about naming it index.html, makes it easier when hosting. You don't have to know the file name. You just have to know the directory or the path where it's hosted. By the way, that's the advantage of index.html. If you browse to a directory and you're doing just a regular static hosting, it'll look for a file called index.html. If that's there, it'll load that without you having to type in whatever.html. So hopefully you've been doing that. If not, it's not the end of the world, but this part's going to be a little more of a pain in the neck for you. But it's not a huge deal. So go to your repo on GitHub. Actually do this now. Go to Settings. And scroll down a bit and look for the part about GitHub Pages. Here we go. GitHub Pages is designed to host your personal, organizational, and cool. Source, GitHub Pages is currently disabled. Select the source below to enable GitHub Pages for this repository. So from your repo, this tab right here. It's the tab bar: Code, Issues, Pull Requests, Projects, Wiki, Insights, Settings. Oh, boy, you really can't see it at all, can you? Okay, see the name, see the tabs: Code, Issues, Pull Requests, Projects. Okay, so go to actually your actual repository for this project.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, Settings tab. Yep. Everybody see it? So go to Settings, scroll down until you see GitHub Pages. The little drop down where it says None, change that to Master Branch, and hit Save. It'll refresh this page, scroll back down to where that is. Your site is ready to be published at, and it gives you a URL. Copy that, right-click on it, say Copy Link Address. Go back to your repository, just click on the name spellbook again to get back to this page. See where it says no description, website, or topics provided. And all the way on the right, there's an edit button. Hit that edit button and paste that URL in the field that says website. Don't paste it in description. Paste it in website. You can put a description, though, like first project for extern bootcamp 2018. And then it'll be there. It'll be clickable. And if you named your file index.html, you can just click right on that. And there it is in the browser.
I got the GitHub Pages master branch saved it, and that was all I thought.
Okay, just a minute. I'll be back there in a sec. If you did not name it that, then you'll probably get a 404 when you click on the link. Who's that true for? Okay. Okay, so anybody who doesn't know how to fix that themselves, please tell me, because I'm going to look at your projects tomorrow, and it'll be a lot easier for me if I can actually click that to see it running in the browser. Okay. Okay. Okay, I'll come back there and look at it. Yeah.
So you said if it's index.html, it automatically goes there. Does the JavaScript file and does the CSS file have to be indexed?
No. It just has to. Yeah, it just has to link to it correctly. Yep. Okay. So I'll be back there to look at that in just a sec. So if you did name it something else, I would just say edit. Well, first of all, fix it here. Go to whatever.html you did put. Copy that address. Go back here, edit this, and paste in the working URL. Okay, cool.